Hello and welcome at Tbilisi Hills Golf. My name is Kirill Slatinsky and I'm the head golf professional for the club. Today I'll show you the basics of the golf swing. First, setup. Place your body parallel to the target line, sideways. Feet are shoulders width apart. Then the ball position is in the middle of your body. The grip. Left hand is on the top, right hand is on the bottom. Place the club behind the ball. Back being straight, bent over the ball, and let the arms to hang free down, straight down. This is your setup. The swing. From the setup position, turn your hips and chest behind the ball. Keep the eyes on the ball, left arm straight and at least parallel to the ground. Then swing through and brush the ground. Finish with the hands way above your left shoulder. The chest and the pelvis are fully turned and your right foot is on the toe. The swing itself looks like this. Putting. The setup is similar like the full swing, just this time place your eyes over the ball. Use your grip and make the shot while you're tilting your shoulders back and through, but not using the wrists, either the hip. The swing land is the same back and through. The real shot looks like this. And please remember, when you come to our driving range, do not enter the grass area and be sure that the people around you are behind the yellow safety line. Enjoy your practice session.